Hi students, next one, that is preparation of alcohols. I will give simple trick student, I will give one by one. Preparation of alcohols. First method, that is first preparation method from alkyl halide. From alkyl halide, from alkyl halides, from alkyl halide. First one method is alkyl halide example, that is I am taking that is ethyl chloride. When ethyl chloride react with aqueous KOH, it gives ethyl alcohol plus KCl. This is a simple trick. First preparation method, when ethyl chloride react with aqueous KOH to give ethyl alcohol plus KCl. That is preparation for that is ethyl alcohol preparation student. First one, that is preparation of ethyl alcohol. That from ethyl chloride, when ethyl chloride react with aqueous KOH to give ethyl alcohol plus water. Now second method students, from alkyl halide I am taking example, that is ethyl chloride. Now second method students, from alkene, second method from alkene students. For alkene, that example is ethylene. Now take the ethylene students, CH2 double bond CH2, ethylene CH2 double bond CH2 plus water in the presence of acidic hydrogen, we get that is ethyl alcohol CH3 CH2 OH. This is the second method. So in this reaction H2O, it contain one H plus and one OH one OH minus H plus will attack this carbon and OH minus will attack this carbon we get that is ethyl alcohol will be formed. H plus will attack this carbon and OH minus will attack this carbon, we get that is ethyl alcohol will be formed. Now take the second method, one more example, that is how to prepare, that is secondary alcohol students. How to prepare, this is primary alcohol students. How to prepare secondary alcohol students? Same from alkene, that is unsymmetrical alkene, that is CH3 CH double bond CH2. When unsymmetrical alkyl students, when unsymmetrical alkene again react with water in the presence of H plus, we get that is here bond shifting towards right hand side only student. Why? Because this left hand side methyl group is there, this methyl group is always electron releasing group. So, that is why this bond shifting towards right hand side. So, that is why this carbon getting positive charge and this carbon getting negative charge. So, here H2 contain H plus and OH minus. Generally in this reaction belongs to electrophilic addition reaction students. In this electrophilic addition reaction, first attacker is electrophile. Electrophile means H plus student. This H plus will attack negative charge side and this OH minus will attack this side. So, we get that is product is CH3 then CHOH then CH3. This is the secondary alcohol student. This is preparation of alcohol student, that is primary alcohol and secondary alcohol students. Next one student, this next preparation student, that is named reaction student, that is hydroboration oxidation student, that is hydroboration oxidation students. It is also very most important students. Preparation of alcohols, hydroboration oxidation, it follow the anti-Markovnikov student. So, now take the examples hydroboration when unsymmetrical alkene, that is CH3 CH double bond CH2 in the presence of B2H6 student, in the presence of B2H6 or H2O2 peroxide by in basic medium student, we get that is product is CH3 CH2 then CH2 OH student. This is also hydroboration, that means addition of water student. Here also same thing student. Here also in this reaction student, addition of water students, it follow the anti-Markovnikov rules student, anti-Markovnikov rules. It follow the anti-Markovnikov rules student. So, hydroboration oxidation, it follow the anti-Markovnikov rules. It is also preparation of alcohol students. Now next preparation student, that is oxymercuration and demercuration student, that is oxymercuration and oxymercuration. Oxymercuration and demercuration. It is also very most important student. Oxymercuration and demercuration, it is also same thing. So here also in this reaction, it is also participating in unsymmetrical alkane, that is CH3 CH double bond CH2 in the presence of mercuric acetate student, that is mercuric acetate and water. And second one is, that is reduction state, that is sodium borohydride state NaBHO4. Oxymercuration and demercuration states are oxymercuration reduction also. Oxymercuration reduction also same thing student. Oxymercuration, demercuration. In this first step student, oxymercuration, then after second step is and demercuration. Student, demercuration means that is reduction student. That is reduction means that is sodium borohydride. The sodium borohydride act as a reducing agent. In this second step is reduction reaction student. In the second step is reduction is possible student. So what is the final production? That is secondary alcohol will be formed CH3 CHOH then CH3. Secondary alcohol will be formed student. It follow the Markovnikov's oxymercuration demercuration follow the Markovnikov's rules. Markovnikov's rules, and this is very most important. These both are the named reactions. So that is oxymercuration and demercuration, and first one is hydroboration oxidation. You remember student, hydroboration oxidation, it follows the anti-Markovnikov rule. And second one is oxymercuration and demercuration or oxymercuration and reduction, it follow the Markovnikov rules. According to the Markovnikov rules, we know student, negative part of the substance will attacks carbon which contain less number of hydrogen. According to the Markovnikov rule, negative part of the substance will attacks carbon which contain less number of hydrogen. So that's why here in this reaction study, the both reactions study, that is both named reaction, hydroboration oxidation and oxymercuration demercuration, both reactions are here participating in water. That is both reactions are addition of water student. This both reaction involved, that is addition of water. So in oxymercuration and demercuration also, that is also addition of water, and hydroboration and oxidation also addition of water. So this both are follow the Markovnikov rule, and another one is anti-Markovnikov rule. This is a simple trick student. Now next one student, that is preparation of alcohol, that is from Grignard reagent student. From Grignard reagent, it is very most important, Grignard reagent. Next preparation method from Grignard reagent student. What is Grignard reagent student? From first method in Grignard reagent, from formaldehyde student, formaldehyde, that is when HC double bond OH, when formaldehyde react with Grignard reagent, we am taking, that is methyl magnesium bromide in this reaction student. So here generally this methyl group is negative charge, Mg is positive charge student. So here in this reaction student, I am writing mechanism student. This is formaldehyde student, this bond shifting towards this side student, generally we know HCO minus, this carbon getting positive charge, then after that H student, as usual same thing student. In this step student, formaldehyde, this is formaldehyde student, this bond shifting towards oxygen side, this oxygen getting negative charge and this carbon getting positive charge student. So then after that student, what happens student, that is this CH3 MgBr, this CH3 MgBr, this CH3 minus will attacks positive charge side. You remember student, this CH3 minus will attack positive charge side, this MgBr remaining part will attacks this side student. Simple trick student. First step what happens, that is formaldehyde, this bond shifting towards oxygen side, this oxygen getting negative charge, this carbon getting positive charge. Then after that what happens, that is Grignard reagent will be attacks. In this Grignard reagent, that means CH3 MgBr, the CH3 is negative charge, methyl group is getting negative charge, and magnesium getting positive charge. This negative charge will attacks always positive charge side, and remaining Mg plus this positive charge species will attack this negative charge side. We get, that is product is, what is the production, that is, then after that the product is, after that product I am writing here student, that is HCOMgBr, then H, then CH3 will be formed. This is intermediate product will be formed. Simple trick student, this methyl CH3 minus will attack this side, we get CH3, a remaining part Mg plus Br will attack this side, so OMgBr will be formed. Then after that student, after that next step is hydrolysis student, that is H2O hydrolysis in the presence of acetic acid. After that hydrolysis student, we get that here this oxygen getting negative charge, generally Mg getting positive charge. Here bond cleavage student, here bond cleavage in between oxygen and magnesium, this oxygen getting negative charge, Mg getting positive charge. We get that is H plus will attack this side and OH will attack this MgOH-Br. So, what is the final production? That is CH3 CH2OH plus MgOH-Br will be formed. This is the final production. In this step student, the CH3 CH2, CH3 same thing, CH3 then this carbon 2 hydrogens are there, CH2. This bond cleavage student, in this bond cleavage in hydrolysis generally H2O it contain H plus and OH minus. Generally H plus water it contain H plus and OH minus. H plus will attacks negative charge side. H plus will attack negative charge side. So, that is why that is alcohol will be formed. O minus is converted to OH, that is OH, and remaining part as it is same student CH3 CH2OH, ethyl alcohol will be formed. This is the simple trick for alcohol student from Grignard reagent student. From Grignard, this is the preparation of primary alcohol. So, this is the preparation of primary alcohol student. So, how to prepare alcohols from? First method is from ethyl chloride student, from ethyl chloride, that is alkyl halide. Second method is from alkenes student, alkenes, that is symmetrical alkenes and unsymmetrical alkenes. In unsymmetrical alkenes, that is hydroboration oxidation, and second one is oxymercuration and demercuration. Now, fourth method, that is alcohol, ethyl alcohols can be prepared from Grignard reagent, that is first method from formaldehyde. This is the formaldehyde. When formaldehyde react with Grignard reagent, we get primary alcohol. This is the simple trick for preparation of alcohol. If you like my video, please like, share and comments, and thanks for watching.